Hey everyone, quick video. I just wanted to let you know we're getting the Christmas fabric in. I pretty much got about half. The only thing you're not going to see here is my snowman, but I've got a new line. These are pearl essence that go beautiful with these panels and what I have here. We also got our Christmas snowbirds in. We have gingerbread houses and candy canes, and of course some beautiful blenders, and I thought I'd throw in some silver poinsettias. I just really like those. We're gonna waltz on over. Boy, Ellie just finished this owl. It's absolutely amazing. The kit, it's paper piecing, or you can just buy the panel. Then I came up with a new design because I got this painted desert panel that I just fell in love with, and I thought I'd just get some geese flying around that painted desert. Then we're gonna move on over, have an adorable kit we're putting together with some Christmas trees and just, of course, beautiful fabrics using the ones that I had over there. So, and this is what that's gonna look like. We're getting that made right now. And you know, spring kind of sprung right on by us, but I did put this together, which Janice Whitby helped with, which is so pretty. And we have this in the spring colors, or we actually did it in the browns and the grays. So you have your choice there. Anyway, that's kind of what's new going on here at Copper Canyon. We are wear a mask if you want to, or don't. We're keeping the crowds down to a minimum here, and all of our classes, we're kind of referring them as a boutique class, so that keeps the size down. All right, everybody, have a great day. See you soon.